Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by launching the camera app and switching immediately to slow-mo. Choose 120 FPS for moderate motion or 240 FPS for very fast action. This controls temporal resolution. Tap the subject to set focus and slide to adjust exposure so highlights aren't blown out. Once done, enable AE/AF lock to keep focus steady. Make sure orientation and framing match your intended crop. Shoot horizontally for 16:9 and keep the phone stable or use a gimbal. You want to maximize image quality by recording in bright light because high frame rates reduce per frame exposure. Position and steady your phone, use a tripod or brace your arms, and start recording a second or two before the action to capture the full motion arc. If timing is critical, use burst preview practice runs or tap the record button with a soft touch to avoid shake. Remember why. More source frames give smoother slow motion and allow you to pick the exact segment to slow down later. Now you'll finish by editing. Open the clip in Photos, tap Edit, and drag the vertical white handles to define which portion plays in slow motion. You can trim ends, tweak color and exposure, and enable stabilization to reduce shake. When exporting, use HEVC for smaller files or H.264 for compatibility. If playback stutters or quality looks wrong, make sure the clip was recorded at the intended FPS and that you have enough free storage. Clearing space and re-exporting often fixes corrupt renders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.